Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something huge to show you, literally. I'm going to take you through one of our bigger commercial projects lately, a full-scale landscape design and installation for a brand new factory belonging to ACG Capsules in Rayong, Thailand. And when I say big, I mean massive. We're talking 175,000 square meters of space. So, who's ACG? They're a global service provider for pharmaceutical manufacturing, and they produce everything from hard-shell capsules for supplements to packaging to inspection equipment. They have a presence in 138 countries, so they're a pretty big outfit, and they needed a factory that was not only functional at the highest level, but also looked the part too. So, of course, that's where Thai Garden Design comes in. We began working with ACG in July 2024 with one clear goal: transform this blank industrial site into a lush, welcoming green space. The plan? Lots of mature trees, striking palms, and carefully structured hedging to bring life, shade, and an impressive entrance for both employees and visitors. We wanted to balance modern, clean lines with natural beauty, so we carefully selected a mix of trees and plants. Blackboard trees for structure, wax palms, Bismarck palms, and Java palms for height and movement, foxtail palms to give a little bit of a softer look to the space, over 2,000 ficus hedges to frame the entire area, and bold red lipstick palms and 200 Australian brush trees near the entrance to tie into ACG's red color scheme. In total, we planted over 200 mature trees in the main area at the front of the factory, which could be viewed from the road and would make ACG look impressive. So here's the kicker. ACG needed everything done in time for their grand opening in early December 2024. And by the time we finished the design, we only had 2 months to pull it all off, including installing a fully automated sprinkler system to keep everything thriving. So, no pressure, right? First things first, tree delivery. In just 1 week, truckloads of trees arrived, and our on-site team had to move fast to put them in place exactly where they needed to go. Because we had finalized the landscape plan early on, everything moved smoothly. Although we still needed to make some real-time adjustments to make sure every tree looked its best in the final layout. Then, the sprinkler system, and this was a big one. With a site this large, we needed an irrigation setup that could efficiently cover everything without draining ACG's main water supply. We built a controlled valve system connected to the factory's main tanks, making sure there was no risk of running dry. And to give you an idea of the scale we were working with, each watering cycle uses a whopping 15,000 liters of water. Next, heavy machinery time. To plant the biggest trees, we brought in mobile cranes to carefully lift and position them across the site. And I admit, it was pretty cool. It was quite a sight watching these massive trees being placed and just instantly transforming the landscape. To top it all off, we designed a show-stopping entrance garden to give ACG's new site a real wow factor. We created a vibrant, welcoming space using Song of India for its bright green and yellow variegated leaves, cigar palms for structure and height, and a lot of ferns to add lush texture and softness. And, last but not least, our final touches and extras. Once everything else was in, we went the extra mile. We improved the lawn, de-weeded the entire space, and made sure everything was looking perfect before the company directors arrived for their inspection. And let me tell you, when they saw it, they were blown away. They even said it looked more like a resort than a factory, which is a credit to our long history of landscaping resorts. So, mission accomplished. Now, believe it or not, all of that took us only 4 weeks. Even the team at ACG was surprised with how fast we finished everything. Now, what would I say was the biggest factor in our success? Timing. Since we were working in October and November, which is right at the end of Thailand's rainy season, the regular rainfall really helped the trees bed in before the sprinkler system was fully operational. So this natural boost made a huge difference in the health and survival of the plants. After all the planting was finalized, our team stayed on site for 60 days of maintenance, making sure that every tree, hedge, and lawn area had the right nutrients and water supply. And as a result, everything thrived. I'm so proud of how this project came together. What started as a blank industrial space is now a lush, inviting landscape that will continue to grow and evolve over the years. It just goes to show that even large-scale commercial sites don't have to feel cold or boring. With the right design, they can be welcoming, beautiful, and even inspiring. So, what do you think? Do you want to see even more of our commercial projects? Let me know in the comments. And, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more incredible garden transformations. See you next time.